As you tighten up this jam nut, it spreads the jaws on the injector cup. So as I tighten this up, it's going to put pressure on the walls of the cup. Drop it in the hole. Now we take this sleeve, put it over our tool, our extractor, thread it on the other side. And you grab your 2 wrenches, this one on the bottom with the ratcheting preferably, and this one to hold this stud in place. We're going to turn it. As we turn it, it's going to be pulling the cup out from the head. You're going to be seeing the cup rise from here. Pull out the cup right here. Back to the stud off. Take our 2 wrenches, back this off. It's going good. Got our cup removed. Again, these walls right here will bite on the cup. As you tighten it up, it's going to put pressure on the walls.